Okay, people, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a different one. Because today I am going to show you how to set up the first person advanced pack, the assault rifle version. This asset pack just got released. You can get it now on itch.io for $10. I will also leave all the information for the video I'm gonna roll right before we get into the tutorial. And his itch.io page, his YouTube page. I'm gonna leave all that in the description down below. So it's definitely a huge shout out to tutorials.usassets. I love that. That you know it's unreal, right? So yeah, it's basically really simple. But there is something in the documentation that some that may be new to Unreal Engine may not really know how to do. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to set it up, and maybe I add in a option for you to add in ammo capacity into this asset, because it doesn't come with ammo capacity by default. So what do I mean with ammo capacity? What I mean with that is you can run out of bullets, right? So yeah. So that is what I'm gonna show you guys, how to set this up. It's really simple, and again, huge shout out to Tutorial USAT for making this. Plus, it is so goddamn cheap, guys. I would even call it a steal. That's how cheap it is. I know he is working on a new version with all the weapons he has in it. Definitely keep your eyes out for that. I will. It's a really high quality asset, if I'm completely honest. The weapon model itself, well, it's not the highest of the highest, but hey, what you get, the weapon model is an easy swap. But it comes with, I'm gonna show where a little bit more after. But yeah, so without making the intro too long, let's roll the trailer, and then we will dive into the setup. You saw the trailer for it. It's a short one, but it does the job. It's great. So here is the link, the webpage. So it's $10. It is great. It's amazing. I highly recommend getting it. I don't know, man. He should put it higher, but you can actually, if you're like, well, I kind of want to support him more, I want to pay more, you can if you want to. So yeah, this is a link. All you have to do is buy now if you have an account. Well, it's self-explanatory. It is working with Unreal Engine 5.2. So this is also where I am going to implement it in. So yeah, let's just get started with it. Now I have a project open here, but this is something I need in a second for a reference. All right, so first what you want to do, of course, when you have the download, you want to unpack the file. When you have that done, you have this folder. Place it everywhere you want. So I'm just gonna do copy. I'm gonna rename it really quick, by the way, and then underscore tutorial. Copy or cut it, and then you want to go here, projects, paste it here, and then what you want to do, and this is you want to open it first. Open the project. Just make sure that you not open with Skype like I just did. We don't need that. But yeah, if you're on Windows 11, show more content, and then switch Unreal version. If you're on 5.2, it should take it by default. Just hit OK. Double click it. It should open. Well, I said one thing. There are two things you need to do. So yeah, while we're waiting for this one to load, it should not take that long. But yeah, you need to add some config files, and you need to add a setting. Don't be scared if you're new to this. It's all good. So what you need to do, you see here, it has a missing project setting. He could technically do it himself by default, but hey, it's fine. So what you want to do, you want to click open project settings. All you want to do here is type S6M, and I'm doing the wrong way. M6S. Wait. Now I am completely beveled. Hold on. It is SM6. Yeah, so why SM6? Did I type wrong? So, okay, you open the project settings, then you go SM6. This is a DirectX 12 shader format. Now, before I click on this, here is the thing. If you are below Unreal Engine 5.2, there is a huge bug with at least Unreal Engine 5.0.3 or whatever the version is. And that is, if you are on DX12, you go full screen, the engine crashes. Don't worry if this is an issue. This just turn off DX12. But you still want to turn this on, and after that you want to turn it off. But if you're on 5.2, it won't matter. So open project settings, check this box. It's gonna ask you to restart the engine, so restart now. So let's let him do that, and then we get to the final step. Now you can leave it open. Just let it prepare the shaders for a second. With this next step, you can let it open, but I recommend closing it safe, so it's not going to do the shader shit again. All right, now what you want to do, you want to open the README folder. I already had it open, but yeah, you want to open the README folder. After you did that, you want to go to, in your project folder, you want to go to config. You want to open default editor. No. You want to open default input and default engine. Those are the two ones we need. So we need this one. If I'm correct, yeah. Default input. So these are the ones we need. So yeah, these ones we do need. So now what you want to do, you want to go here. I mean, it technically says it here, but it can be a little bit confusing of what do you mean, right? So what you now want to do, you want to go here, scroll to the bottom, right? And then don't take these dots. Go here, scroll up, select everything up to point to here, copy it. Now you want to go to the default input.ini we opened. So that is this one. And then you want to look for, let me have a look what it said here. Yeah. So right here, you want to do enter, paste it in, file, save. Done. Close that. Now you want to do the same thing with the default engine.ini for the collision. Copy or Control C or whatever you use. Open the default engine.ini. Then you want to scroll down to the collision. Now, if you can't find it, it's right here, but you can also just type do Control F and then type profile, and that will give you the profile too right there. So then what you want to do is the same as before. Enter, paste it in. It's right here. Then you go save, close, done. Now it is all working fine. So now what you can just close this, go back here, open the editor again on the project. There you go. Now everything is set up. Now if you're now hit play, you're like, wait. Oh, it actually does work this time. It's a miracle. It didn't work for me before though. I do want to do a quick setting. It's, yeah, I'm just gonna go medium, and that is just all right. So if you hit play, if the character doesn't show up when you hit play, you can actually just drag in the blueprint itself like I did. But this works too. And there you go. You press 1. All your information is on top. You're going to full screen it. And yeah, there you go. Everything is working. It's a little laggy, but that is fine. There is an aim down sight. It's a toggle. It's not a hold. But that is fine. I kind of want to see what the FPS is, to be honest. FPS. I'm gonna set the max FPS to 60. Oh. Okay, hold on. I want to see what the FPS is. Oh, wow. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Something is not right. Oh, I know why. What's this? This is because I have my other project open too. That is why. Yeah. So if I now hit play. Oh. This one was on play too. All right. That explains a lot, because yeah, if I now do this, it is still low FPS. Interesting. Now that could be because I am running 2 editors open right now, what makes sense. Let me close the tutorial one. I just want to confirm that this is correct though. Oh, this one is also on high. Hold on. Settings, medium. Again, it is still Unreal Engine we're playing with. Yeah, it could. Oh, I know why. I'm recording. Right. Never mind. But yeah, so that is that. So that is how you set it up. It's really simple. And yeah, like I said, that's it. So now if you go and then Now you can see this one has ammo in the top. Now I can't shoot. I'm reloading. And now I can't shoot anymore. I think I can reload one more time. Yeah. And now I cannot shoot and I cannot reload. That is what I am going to show you guys in the next video. On how to set that up. But yeah, this was just a basic how to set it up. And what to do if. With that being said, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I will highly appreciate checking this guy out. He has a lot of videos. He also made a whole FPS tutorial. This is where he kind of designed the pack. He is really helpful on his Discord, what is great. The community there is great. Really helpful. So yeah. Once again, huge shout out to this awesome guy. Tutorial assets. I highly recommend checking him out. But guys, with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope it helped. If there is any questions, comment down below or, well, go to his Discord and ask there. I'll be there too. So if there is anything you need to know, we will be there to help you out. Well, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.